We have 4/5 and we want to make 1. So what do we need to add to 4/5 to make 1? We need 1/5. So our 4 blue fifths plus our 1 red fifth equals 1, so makes a whole. So when the numbers in the numerator add to make the number in the denominator, you have a whole, so you have 1. So here, 4 plus 1 is 5, so we have 1 whole. So what do we need to add to 5/8 to make 1? We need 1, 2, 3/8. So 5/8 plus 3/8 makes 1 whole, because 5 plus 3 is 8. Now what do we need to add to 7/12 to make 1? We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/12. So 7/12 plus 5/12 equals 1, because 7 plus 5 equals 12. The numbers in the numerator add to make the number in the denominator, so we have 1. Now we have 1 minus 2/5. So if we have 1, we have 5/5. So if we take away 1 2/5, that leaves us with 3/5. So when subtracting from a whole, when subtracting a fraction from 1, the denominator is the same as it is for the fraction you subtract. So here, the denominator of our answer is 5, because that's the denominator of the fraction which we've taken away. And the numerator is the denominator of that fraction minus the numerator of the fraction that you've taken away. So 5 minus 2 is 3, and that's why we have 3/5. So what is 1 take away 1/6? If we have 1, we have 6/6. So if we subtract 1/6, that leaves us with 5/6. So the denominator is 6, because it's the same as it is for the fraction that we're subtracting. And the numerator is 5, because 6 take away 1 is 5. Now, what is 1 minus 7/12? So if we have 1, we have 12/12. Now if we take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7/12, that leaves us with 5/12. So the denominator of our answer is the same as the fraction we subtracted from 1, so it's 12. And the numerator is 5, because 12 minus 7 is 5.